Hello, this is Ishai from Utila. Today I'm going to show you how to stake on Kiln with Utila in the Utila browser extension. So to do this, I'm going to stake on the Solana DevNet. Here I have the Kiln Dashboard, and if I click on stake, I see that the dashboard is configured for the Solana DevNet. So as I said, the only thing that you really need here is just to have the Utila browser extension installed. You can find it on the Chrome extension store. So next we'll do is we'll just connect the wallet itself. So we'll choose connect wallet, choose Utila. I can select the Utila vault. Let's choose the Solana wallet and Solana DevNet is for the network. Click connect. I can see that indeed, the Kiln dashboard is connected to the Solana DevNet wallet. I can see the remaining balance in this wallet. So really the last thing would be just to enter the amount that I want to stake. In this case, I'll just click max. I can see that, by the way, the extension is indeed connected to the Kiln app. And that's it. All I need to do is just click stake, sign in your mobile app, and you're good to go.